Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a solution or some solutions for a technical problem that I have found. Please check the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support. Please consider to like and comment down below. See you later in another video. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing our channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.